Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here, and I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic week. Today I'm sharing this delicious and easy to make pork stew that is hearty and comforting with beans and lots of vegetables. And here are some of the ingredients that will go with this delicious dish. Definitely we have some pork, some potatoes, some carrots, a can of beans, fresh green beans, tomato paste, parsley, thyme, rosemary, some garlic. Let's get to it. Season the pork, salt and pepper. Into this preheating pan or pot, add cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed. Start searing the pork. Give the pork a turn once it has some color and continue searing until all the sides are browned. This looks like a good color to me, all browned. Add the onions, about a cup of yellow onions diced. This pork is about 1.5 pounds or so. Let the onions just so slightly sweat and just get some color. These onions have slightly browned. Add garlic, about a tablespoon. Just let the garlic here just release its aromas. In goes about a teaspoon tomato paste. Add tomatoes. These are vine tomatoes, about 1.5. You can use about 1/2 cup of tomato puree from a can. In goes about a teaspoon of fresh thyme, about 1/2 teaspoon rosemary. You can still substitute these herbs with dry, but just use a lesser amount. Beautiful colors here already. In goes a teaspoon of chicken base. I'm using better than bouillon. This is 50% sodium, so you want to be careful with salt. Add about 2 cups water. Give the pot a good stir here. Bring to a boil. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of paprika. The paprika will give it a nice deep color. Let this cook on medium for about 5 minutes. Add the potatoes into the pot. These are 3 big Yukon. Add the carrot. This is 1 fairly big carrot. Now at this point, season with some more salt and pepper. I'm being mindful that I added chicken base, which has good amount of salt in it. I will season again towards the end. I will add maybe another half a cup water just to slightly cover the potatoes. Bring the heat up. Cook for about 10 minutes and then we will add the beans and the green beans. This is a good time to add the white beans. I'm using cannellini. This is from 1 small can, about 15 ounces or 439 grams. Add the fresh green beans too. Some fresh parsley. Now the beans are fully cooked, so we're just looking to rewarm them and just for them to absorb some of these good flavors. The green beans need some time because we started them from raw. Let's see where the potatoes are. This looks good. A good time to check the seasoning and adjust if needed. Yeah, just a touch salt, some black pepper, and then a little bit more of this parsley for freshness. Heat all the way down to low. Seasoning is on point. Just let these potatoes hang out there for another 2-3 minutes with heat on low. Finish this pork stew with the rest of the parsley, just a good amount of it. Give it a nice stir. Can't wait to taste. More pork. More parsley goes on. That's my portion right there. I just need to dig into this deliciousness. Big chunk of the pork here. Some of this broth. Some of these potatoes, the carrots. And there you have it, my friends, a very quick and easy dish, a stew that you can make in any day of the week, and especially when the weather seems like it's not cooperating, you need something brothy. This is a good recipe to go for. It uses mostly what you have probably in your pantry, you know, the canned beans, I always have potatoes, carrots, onions. Just add the pork, or you can even use chicken or whatever you want to use, but you end up with this deliciousness, comforting and hearty. So I hope it's a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.